At Seabery, we develop solutions that are revolutionizing the training of young people and the upskilling of professionals globally. From the educational stage with a STEM focus, through to the training and qualifications required by industry. With the Seabery Welding Simulator, welding training reaches new levels of efficiency, safety, and sustainability, covering all stages from certification to the upskilling and specialization of professionals. And with the Seabery Spray Painting Simulator, industrial painting training becomes more precise, cleaner, and more controlled. No risks, no waste, with measurable results. Our augmented reality technology helps train more people better, using fewer resources and with greater efficiency. Seabery is already trusted in over 80 countries, from vocational training centers to industrial companies in the shipbuilding, railway, heavy machinery, automotive, and energy sectors. At Seabery, we are shaping the present and future of training and technical development through cutting-edge technology. Seabery, where training meets performance.